Hello everyone, I'm Krishika Karmani. I scored 85.92 percentile in CAT, 95 percentile in Quants and 90 percentile in DILR and an average percentile in VARC, but it would have been better if someone told me these preparation tips while I was studying. I would have absolutely rocked it. If you're starting your preparation now or you're trying to fix your daily routine, then this video is definitely for you. And I think you should stop listening to the conventional advices that you get and try this instead. So let's start with the first section, which is VRC. I would say people say start reading your EON essays, daily articles, newsletters, and no. You can read the news for daily updates, but I would say reading and solving are two different things. I think you should master the skill of solving rather than practicing the reading daily. Yeah, it will increase your speed and all, but no, I think practicing is much more important. So how should I practice? I think giving daily 2 hours to each section is enough. So first for VRC, you can solve 1 or 2 RCs in 1 hour depending on your speed and analyze it thoroughly. Starting with 1 RC daily is also okay because you will definitely increase your speed, go to 3 RCs in 1 hour also. Analyze it thoroughly because analysis is very important. And then in remaining 1 hour, start learning daily 5 new words that will help in your vocab while you are solving your RCs. And in remaining 40-45 minutes daily, one topic of VA is fine. You can solve, one day you are solving parajumbles, one day odd man out and all, it's good. Now let's move to DILR. For DILR, I would say 1 hour to DI and 1 hour to LR is okay. And then if there is a misconception, like if you are not able to solve any set, give it 1 day, 2 days and solve it, I will say no, a big no, stop. Because I think try it for 1 hour. 1 hour is more than enough. And still if you are not able to solve it, leave that set as it is and move on to the next one.
अच्छा, ठीक है, समझ गया.
Tomorrow, start with a fresh pace and a fresh mind. Also, do not use any of the information that you have gathered yesterday. Solve it as a new set and you will be definitely able to solve it. And still if you are not able to, then literally go to the video solutions or the solution that whatever is given, because wasting time more than this is not required. I think for DILR only the calm mind is required. You should be able to crack those sets, that's all. And for Quants, in those 2 hours, I will say start with arithmetic. Practice arithmetic as much as you can. It will be your savior. And do not think that I will only practice arithmetic, I will leave other sections, I will practice so hard that I am able to solve the most difficult questions also. No need. Because I will say you should instead cover all the easy questions from all the topics, because in the exam there are definitely 7 to 8 questions which are doable and easy. So it should not happen that you have not even touched PNC and there is a very easy question of PNC probability that will ruin your exam completely. So I will say practice everything, all the topics which are there in Quants, which will definitely save you in your exam. Yeah, you can leave 1 or 2 chapters that you think are definitely not touchable. That's fine. And studying 6 hours daily is not that difficult. What I used to do is I used to study 2 hours VRC in the morning, 2 hours DILR in the afternoon, and 2 hours Quants in the evening, which was sufficient. I think which is sufficient for you also, even if you are starting your preparation now. And I think after every 8 to 10 days, you should always take a break of 1 day, because it is a reset of your mind. And yeah, do not think if someday you miss your section or your preparation, 1 day is missed or 1 section is missed, it's okay. Do not break your consistency on that basis. Like everyone is ahead, I'm so behind. It's okay. Everyone has their own speeds. You can cover it up. Start being consistent. You will definitely be able to crack it. And all the best. So let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, and also on which topic you want me to make next video on. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.